Next we will discuss about design of comparator using these sequential circuit method. So if you want to design comparator n bit, what happens to the previous bit and what happens to the next bit, we have to assumption. So suppose if you take as a comparator circuit we are designing here, and we are giving as a input called x is one bit and y is another bit. Suppose assume that the bit is here, previous state we are making as a, this is the first state. If you take both are 0 0 means we can say that these are equal. For this we are generating two output known as A and B. So what is this A and B is? A and B value, if it is 0 0, that means x and y both are equal. So we can call that x is equal to y. Similar way, if it is AB value is 0 1, so we can assume like x is greater than y or x is less than y, anything. Here assuming that I am assuming x less than y. Similar way, if it is AB is 1 0, so we can make x greater than y, and AB 1 1 condition not there. So these are conditions. In this state what happens? 0 0 means A and B both are equal to the x and y, so it is generate 0 0 output here. If it is x is 1 and y is 0, so x is greater, y is lesser, so that we are getting as a 1 0 value in the AB. If it is something like x is 0 and y is 1 given, so 0 1 is means y is greater, so y is greater is 0 1 condition, so A becomes 0, B becomes 1. Last one more possibility of xy, that is x is 1 and y also 1. If both are 1 1, so this condition is nothing but AB is generated as 0 0 because x and y are equal. Like this we can make such a way that what is the previous value according to this generated. Now come to the next state. Here if you have something called AB array, that is from next state. So suppose assume that AB is 0 0, then whatever x and y value give, according to that we will get the next AB. Okay, so here if it is 0 0 means previous bit is 0, that means when your comparator comparing, first compare the MSB bit. If MSB bit is equal, then only it compare to the next bit. Suppose one example, if you take 1 0 0 1 and 1 1 0 1, if you compare here both are 1, so this is equal, so it will check the next number. Here 0 1, the second one is greater, so this is greater value. If it is first value only, suppose in example if I take 0 1 1 and if I take 1 0 0, so it will check in the first bit only, so this is 1 means the second one is high, so we are not checking any other bit here. Similar way here, if AB is 0 0 means the first state both are equal, so it is depend upon these xy. If this xy is 0 0 again or 1 1, I will get AB value is 0 0 only. If x and y value is rather than equal, then that value I will get according to here first what we are discussed. This is the method of the comparator where we can check out what is the xy value given. According to that we are generating AB value. If you want a diagram like that, so you have to write diagram something like this. This is x and y, the first given, so it is generate A and B, then it is giving to the next bit. So here again we have next x and y. So here I will call x1 y1, here I will call x2 y2, and this is a1 b1, so generated is a2 b2. Similar way it is gone, so I can take one more stuff called xi. So similar way yi, and I will get here ai and bi. Similar way I will get ai plus 1 and bi plus 1. Similar way it is going on, and we can take the nth value also. So nth value it is xn and yn is given. From this we can say that if you give xn and yn, the stuff whatever we are getting is we can call as a an and bn. So here from this an and bn we have to design one more circuit. That is what here. If AB value is 0 0, it will generate x is equal to y. If it is 0 1, x greater than y it will generate, and lastly it will generate x less than y. So this circuit is nothing but making as a comparator output. So these all we are calling as a cells. So our aim is to design these cells, make it as a something like AB value according to the xy, and final answer we are making such a way that what is the output. So this is nothing but output circuit, or determine which input of an and bn, what is the output of comparator we have to design. So this is how we can write the block diagram. After this comparator block diagram, we can move on the particular state table. So when you move to the step 1 state table, so state table our aim is we have to make state how many possible. In this state there is the 3 state possible, because the one state is x is equal to y, that is possible. Second state x greater than y. Third state is x less than y. So we can go with the state. This is we are calling previous state. So state possible is x is equal to y. Can I call this one as a s0? Next state is x greater than y, and this state I will call as a s1, and last state possible x less than y, this is s2. You can make as a s1 s2 order also, you can change. There is nothing to worry about these orders. Now once you have done previous state, then we have to take the xy value. So what is the xy value possible? If xy value is something like 0 0, what happens? And either 0 1 or 1 0 or 1 1 for possibility of xy possible. So what happens? These x value 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 we are taking as a b values. So AB is the our output. If it is 0 0, so previous also s0. So what happens in this state? If you take here one example, you can take here. So you are giving 0 0 here as a x value, and previous also s0 state. S0 is nothing but x is equal to y. So previously also it generated 0 0 of AB. So previous also equal, here also equal. So AB obviously generate 0 0 1. That is nothing but equal state only. So this state is nothing but s0 only. So I will take this one is s0 state. When 0 1 comes, so if you take one more here, so previous state is 0 0 only, and 0 1 giving from the x and y. So what happens? 0 1 means y is greater. So y is greater means according to that state, here s2 we are considered, so that state it will go. And 1 0 means s1, and 1 1 means s0. This is how we are generated xy. From this we can say that z1, z2, z3, there is a 3 output possible here. This one I am calling z1, this one I am calling as a z2, this one I am calling as a z3. So here if it is x and y are equal, so usually we will call as a, this is the equal state. So equal whatever is there, z1 we are taken equal, so it is 1 in the equal state, and other portion is 0 0. Similar way we have to take as a next state s1. So already I told, if you are taking as a input as a 0 1, that means the previous state is x greater than y. Whatever x and y value will give, either 0 1 or 1 0 1 1, according to this example, the first bit is changed, last other bit we are not checking out. So whatever input you are given, so your output remains always 0 1 only, it never change. So for this reason, whatever S1 we are given, either if you give 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, it doesn't change and it remains in the same state of S1 only. Similar way for S2, when x is greater than y, if you whatever x and y value you give next bit, the MSB bit is high, so this remains same. So it is S2 is high only. And in this condition, second condition, the Z2 become high, and third condition, Z3 become high. Here actually Z3 I have taken similar to x greater than y, and Z2 x less than y, Z1 is x is equal to y. You can take other possibility also Z1 values. So from this we are taken the values. Now we can make as a truth table. So truth table how we can do? We have to put the values of S0 and S1. So step 2 we will go for the truth table. Truth table means we can take S0 state is universal, previously we discussed 0 0, S1 is 0 1, S2 is 1 0. So we have to go with these three conditions. So here previous state means I will take QB and QA. So in this state S0 is 0 0, S1 means 0 1, S2 means 1 0, and 1 1 it is don't care. So we will take something like that. Then XY I have the option called 0 0, 0 1 and 1 0 and 1. All these state I can take as a QB plus and QA plus. So first is S0 here. S0 is 0 0 and S1, sorry, this we can take horizontally. S2 is 1 0 and S1 is again it is nothing but S1 is 0 1 and 1 1 is S0, so 0 0. So in the second column everything is S1, so fill with the 0 1 everywhere. So this is 0 1 every part, and then S2 in every part, so fill with the S2 every time. So S2 is nothing but 0 1 0, so fill with 1 0 all the portions. So this is how we can write the table diagram. And the last state, that means 1 1, we don't know what is the answer, so we can make as a don't care for all the positions. And we can take as a Z0, Z1, Z2, Z3 similar way. So Z1, Z2, Z3. In these three cases it is don't care only. And first cases it is 1 0 0, second case 0 1 0, and third case 0 0 1. This is how the truth table is drawn. After that we will go for the step 3. In the step 3 we have to make K-map such a way that we have to fill the values wherever 1 present. So this is QB QA, this is QB plus QA plus. I have to do for DB. So already we know that DB and QB plus both are same. So wherever the QB plus is there, that I have to take. Here I have to take 4 input because the QB QA one side and XY another side. So make as a 4 variable diagram. So for that you have to draw it as a 4 variable K-map. For that you can take this side is QB and QA and this side X and Y. So here this is 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0, this is 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. So first check it out. The DB means QB plus. QB plus means it is 0 0 1 here, this case. Okay, second one, this is actually QB plus, this is QA plus. Similar way everywhere. Okay, so 1 at what condition? 1 0 0 0 condition. So 1 0 0 0 condition, it is 1. Similar way the one here, this portion also QB plus QA plus, this also QB plus QA plus, this also QB plus QA plus, like that. Okay, can make like this also portions. Okay, yeah. Now in this case 1, that means this is 0 0, this is 0 1, so 0 0 0 1 it is 1. Then it is 1 at the condition 1 0. Okay, 1 0 and 0 1, so 1 0 0 1 it is high. Similar way, in the left again take, here it is 1. This 1 is actually the 1 0 1 0 position. So here is right. And last condition also it is 1. So 1 0 1 1 also it is 1. And we know that in 1 1 it is all don't care. So make it 1 1 all don't care. Okay. This is how the diagram can be made. For this we can do the table. Something like this. This is one table. Here the 1 is common, so we can call that dB is equal to something called QB, and QA get cancelled. One more 1 is left, so make it this one and this one together. So here we have 1 means 0 1 is common, so X bar and Y we have to take here. And what about this QB QA, the 1 0, so QB get cancelled, and QA we have to get as a 0 0. So it is QA bar. So answer is for DB QA bar and X bar Y plus QB you have to get. Similar way, try for the second one. That is nothing but we have to move on the portion card for DA. So what happens to DA? Similar diagram you can write. This portion is QA and QB, and this portion is X and Y. This is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and similar way 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So what happens to the this DA wherever QA plus high? The second portion here it is high, so 0 1 0 0, so 0 1 0 0 it is high. Next it is high at the this portion. So this is nothing but 0 1 0 1. So 0 1 0 1 it is high, and all this portion high when 0 1. So make it 0 1 high all the position. Extra it is high in the 0 0 1 0. So 0 0 1 0 it is high, and then it is not there here anyway. Yeah, and in the 1 1 condition it is don't care. So this is the diagram what you got. So make this way as a all 1. So in this case what happens? 1 is common, so DA is equal to, we can take as a QB is 1, so QB. The first one DB, whatever equation I have taken here, the QB first and then QA taken, similar way I have to take here. So sorry for that, make it QB and QA here. From that we can get here, this one is QA. So second one is cancel out, 0 1 is cancel out, and 1 1 is QA. So take QA, or you can take here DA is equal to QA, and plus we can take as a this portion possible. So 1 1 here, 1 1 is nothing but 0 1 cancel out. So this 0 1 cancel out means QA cancel out, and QB bar. So QB bar in the first portion and 1 0 there. So X Y bar. This is the answer for the DA. Similar way we can move for the DB and DA. Similarly we can move for the Z portion also possible. Before going to this Z, we will draw the diagram of this QB, QA and these portions. So you can take as a the previous input directly from QA here and QB here, or you can call AB also. In book all this stuff they have taken as a AB. You can take AB also possible. So QA and QB I have taken. So we have the status here. The first position DB I am getting as a QB plus QA bar X bar Y. So here we will take two more input X and Y. So we can take these values and draw it. I am drawing here directly. So first AND gate. This AND gate contain one is QB, another one is QA bar, then it is X bar, and one more is Y. So these are the step 4. We can draw the diagram whatever we obtained from the K-map equation. So here DB is nothing but QB plus QA bar X bar Y. So take X and Y from these cases. and take QA and QB to input. Instead of QA, QB, you can take A and B directly also possible, because this is not a flip-flop output, so you can take AB also possible. So in this case we have QA bar, so I will take QA bar, and then we have X bar, so I will take X bar, and Y. This is all the multiplier, so it is AND gate, and QB is with this and OR gate, and we are obtaining this. This is nothing but the DB, or it's also called as a QB plus next of the OR, or we can call B plus. So here if you take this one is a QA and this one is a QB, and this one we are taking as a DB, and this is nothing but DA and DB. Okay, so D flip-flop, whatever input you are given, same output you will get. So that reason we will take something like that. So next, the portion, the DA is equal to QA plus QB bar XY bar. So you have to take one more AND gate here. In this we have to take QB bar. So we can take from QB bar directly, and X. So I will take from X directly here. So this is assumed like X, and this is my Y bar. Okay, so if you take something like that, this is the one portion, and plus with QA. So I will take one more as a QA. Already we have this one, we have to link with this and this, and this is nothing but one more OR gate, and we are producing as a DA. Okay, this is how A and B is produced using your QA, QB, XY. Here I told one block here, cell. This cell is nothing but this portion. So inside this cell we have to write this type of circuit diagram. This circuit diagram will make that DB and DA value according to our theory. So X and Y given here, and input QA, QB given, and output we are getting DB and DA, or DA, DB. Okay, this is how cell is designed. One more we can do for Z portion. Previously the Z portion we have taken, that is Z1, Z2, Z3 whenever high and low. So in this case, when you are taken Z1, Z2, Z3 high, you have to make table for that. So step 5 we are going for the last output circuit. That is what we are designed here, last output. So that is nothing but Z1, Z2, Z3, how to get. So if you take as a Z1 table, see that Z1 is high when S0 is high. Sorry, S0 is consist. So S0 is nothing but 0, 0 condition. So when S0 is 0, 0, all the portion Z1 is high. If you take here example, the output circuit, we are giving two input like A and B. Okay, depending upon A and B, I am getting three values. One is X greater than Y, another one is X less than Y, another one is X is equal to Y. So here whatever we assumed, according to that we can take. Here X is equal to Y, I am taking Z1, and Z2 is second state 0, 1, that means X greater than Y. So this is Z2 X greater than Y, and this is what I have taken Z3. Okay, you can take different number also possible. So Z1, if you take as a K-map, simple way you can take 0 or 1. So here we can take B value, here we can take A value. So 0, 1, this is 0, 1. So Z1 is nothing but X is equal to Y. That means either the 0, 0 condition it is high, and 1, 1 condition here anyway it is not there. So we can talk that one as a don't care. So 1, 1 condition it is don't care. So it is in 0, 0 condition. So take this portion, here it is nothing but both are bar. So Z1 is equal to A bar, B bar. Similar way go for Z2. So Z2 in my case I have taken as a X greater than Y. So here Z2 is X greater than Y means it is the state of X greater than Y is S1. So 0, 1 condition. So when 0, 1 condition it is high. So 0 and 1 condition means this portion, and here anyway don't care 1, 1 is there. So this one is B and A. So B is 0, A is 1, it is 1, 0, 1 condition 1, and 1 condition anyway, don't care. So if you take this one as a one group, so B is cancel out and A we will get. So Z2 is equal to A. Similar way, we will go for the Z3, and Z3 if you take, again you have to take B and A. Z3 we are taken in the case of X greater than Y, sorry, X less than Y, so it is the state of 1 0. So if you take as a 1 0 condition, this is the one here, and anyway 1 1 is don't care. So if you make grouping of this one, this is nothing but Z3 is equal to B. If you take as a Z1, Z2, Z3 in a different X greater or X lesser value, you will get different answer. But always remember, if it is equal, you will get A bar, B bar. If it is X greater, you will get A, otherwise it is B. So this is what equation we got. Now go for the step 6. In the step 6, we have to write the diagram for these values. So we can call that, this is first I will take Z1, it is nothing but X is equal to Y. Then Z2, I am taking X greater than Y, and the last one Z3, X less than Y. So Z1 is nothing but A bar, B bar. So take A and B two input. So A bar, make it bar, and B bar, and make it as a AND gate and connect it to the Z1. And Z2 means it is nothing but A, so you can take from directly A value. Okay, and you can take other one called as a D, that is nothing but Z3, so you can take from directly B value to the Z3. This is what you are getting as a output something for Z1, Z2, Z3. This is the circuit diagram for output circuit. So this portion we are writing in this part, and this portion we are writing in this cell. Total diagram what we have discussed first, that one is the total diagram. This is how we can design the comparator.